On the motor and the phone. Okay.
Where's the
twin turbo? The guy's gonna call me today and try to change my mind about the twin turbos, but
that sucks.
Here I am, dead in the water again.
There you go.
So here we go. I'll be unplugging and plugging shit in all fucking day. This comes out of there. This comes off.
What's that for?
This is to set the pump timing.
There's Big Bad Ron. There goes the head. Whoa.
Like gold. They don't make these.
Can we eBay that?
They make them, but oh, dude, we could get $5 grand on eBay for that.
Should we?
I'd have to have actually 40,000 for this one, because this would fuck my whole project up if I didn't have it. 4-cylinder P pumps and 12 valves. These 4 cylinders are really rare.
Well, I know what to look for now.
So all you have to do is have McKay walk by, trip and fall over the counter, and break an ear off it.
That'd be cool, man.
Then I would jam this wrench right in his fucking guzzle.
Sideways?
Maybe we should have the forklift operator come grab it.
Yeah, really.
Oh, there he is.